In this video, we're going to learn how to use an alternative way to add a transition to the timeline using AIM Transitions Premiere Pro extension. Alternative method overview. An alternative method was created as a fallback option for automatically adding a transition to the timeline. The advantages of this method are that only the necessary assets are added to the project without adding a transition sequence to the project panel. Also, in terms of the speed of adding, this method works much faster than the default method. To activate this alternative method, go to the extension settings. Find and open the tab Import Settings. Here we see special additional settings with which you can customize the work of the extension specifically for your requirements. In our case, we are now enabling the option with the name Use an Alternative Method. When this method is activated, a scarlet asterisk appears in the lower right corner of the extension. How to add transition to the timeline. Now let's go back to the Core Transitions pack. As for the default method, let's use the transition page flip from the box category as an example. First, let's set a time indicator at the junction point of the two clips. This is a required action. Now let's go back to the extension and click on the transition icon with the direction we need. Great, it works really fast. Now let's check if the transition works. The transition works great. Now let's check what is in the AIM Transitions P-Pro folder in the project panel. As we can see, unlike the default method, now the folder contains only the Assets folder. The Systems folder contains the files required for the transition to work. These files will be common for all transitions with the same sequence settings, the settings of which you can see as part of the name of these files. So this video tutorial for this section is over. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates on new products and offers.